Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Sir Fred, thank you for watching. Thank you for the only people in the world. In the live. Thank you for watching. Ma'am Sharon. Good evening. Thank you so likes. You know what, Sir Fred? I'm rich now. I have this. You know what this? And then I having a this. Oh my God! Look, I'm rich. Sorry. Excuse me. I'm this. Excuse me. Look, Sir Fred. Strawberry preserve. Yummy. And then this sandwich spread. The favorite. I have both them here. Oh, really? Wow. That's nice. I'm rich. I'm rich and Mike fell broke. Mike fell broke. I have a Skippy and the juice. Oh wow, that's good bro. That's nice. I don't like preservatives. Okay. Thank you, 9 people in the house. Thank you so much. I don't know. I have a lot of goddess coming tomorrow. Wow, goddess. What is that? Two pizza, two pizza, McDonald's, and lots of more. Wow, I love it. Wow, sana all. Ice cream. What? Ice cream. Hi Toti, hello beautiful, greetings from Germany. Hi Toti, but are you a boy, a man, or what? Are you a woman, a girl, a man? Greetings from Germany. Hi, thank you for joining. Aman, thank you for joining, and thank you for the likes. Who's hit the likes? Thank you so much. Hello, beautiful. How are you doing? Nice to see you again. Hope you are well. It's John Boy the Opal. Hi, John Boy the Opal. Thank you again. She went shopping for me and coming here tomorrow. Oh my God, you're so lucky to having a sweet wife. You know what, Sir Fed? You are too lucky having a maasikaso na asawa. You're too lucky to having in your life, Sir Fred, because not all women, not all wives, something like that. You're vampire. I'm half man and half woman. Hi, Kusemo Felicia. Hi, she's lucky to have me. Yes, you guys, you're the couple happy together. So that's why she's lucky to having you, and you're lucky to having him. So that's right. Same as Mike. I'm lucky to have Mike, and Mike lucky to having me. Something like that. I'm not perfect, but I'm proud to say that I don't like playing games uh, in a relationship, something like that. What I say I'm yours. If I say I'm yours, I mean it. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Mine's not longer, but mine's it's like it's just it's like you and Mike. Yeah, it's like me and Mike. But mine's it's yes, but mine's it's longer. Mine's not longer. You and Mike is month. Mine's yes. Yes. Maybe it's very long journey to meet each other. That's why. Me and Mike. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy that I meet my Mike. Mike find me. I'm happy. Are the Juan, the Cupido, Mr. Cupido. Me and Mike. Yes, at least you found each other. Yes. Thank you, Sir Fred. No more loneliness, feel alone, something like that. He's sleeping again. Yeah. You need to rest because when you come here, something like that. Hi, Pico Side. Thank you for joining here again. How are you? It's still loneliness until he comes back. Ah, okay. No, he's not lonely. Maybe just live alone, but not loneliness. shall we talk about it? No, no. Yes. No, I don't like to talk about it. Please. I'm eating. Oh, shit. Hey. Hoy, paano ba yan? I'm laughing so hard right now. I'm almost crying. Why? What happened? Yeah. Right away you said no. Yeah, I don't like. No. Please. Not good. Gross. Oh my god. Thank you, 6 people in the house. 6 people. Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Drink your juice. Yeah, I drink juice. Wow, yeah, 6 people. 5 now. 6. Thank you for the 6 likes. We know that what's in your mind. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. 6 people in the house. We know what's Kikiwanda in GTV Lives. What happened? GTV Live. What happened there? Hot here. Weather. So hot. Hot weather here. And I was in his bed and Greg came and started shit again, detaining. Oh my god, detaining the Filipina. Why? What happened there? Oh my god. What happened? Oh my gulay. What happened on Grace live? Hi Brian. Hi, thank you for joining. Where are you from, Brian? He threatened the girl if she didn't unmod me. Why? Oh my god, from Mexico. Nice to meet you from Mexico, Brian. That what GTV Lives was another Filipina. Oh, really? And you? I'm from Philippines. Wow. That's not good for cheating. Was not GTV live. Ah, okay. I think that's not good for that's not good. Spreading hate something like even the others. He influenced the other something like that. Oh my god. Kiki asked GTP what problem GTP have with Kiki. Kiki asked GTP what problem GTP have. Okay, God, what the problem? Pretty pretty you. Oh, thank you, Brian. My God, what's the problem? So what's the problem? Maybe Kiki no need to respond because I almost put a screenshot on a post about it, but he not worth it. Yeah, no need to hold yourself and no need. Just ignore. Distance from this, right? I told you, no need to waste time for this kind of like something like that. Alejandro Torres, hello beautiful, thank you. Yes, no need to waste time, Sir Fred. It doesn't stop. It will continues and it's spreading and spreading and that's not good. You look beautiful. Oh, thank you so much, Alejandro Torres. Where are you from? Kiki has no content, so she went to GTV for content. I bet Kiki does stream about GTV tomorrow. Oh my god. Sheryl is beautiful. Thank you, sir friend. Oh my god. I should wake up Mike. Hey, where's my hubby? My hubby is still sleeping, my god. Maybe he need to rest now. Take a rest. Oh my god. I feel so tired. Maybe because the heat. Thank you. Thank you. Udah ko ano yung... Ay, thank you. Darahan na. Have you talked to him since my stream? No. Sure. You, are you talk to Mike? Not today. Have you ever talked to him since me? Not today. We talked morning. I told him because I'm going to work. I told him you need to rest because before I'm going to sleep we need to talk, something like that. Maybe he's not sleeping when after we talk, so maybe he doing something like that. I'm gonna have to charge him for ignoring. Huh? Why? No, I told him. No, I told him he need to rest, he need to sleep. No, he's not ignoring me. He deserves to rest. It's fine. Okay, then I will charge you. Huh? Why? Then I will charge. Suddenly, I'm lazy to do live now. I'm joking. It's fine. No worries, Serpent. Suddenly, I am lazy doing live here on YouTube.
Tita, thank you.
You're welcome. Then you shut down and sleep if you're lazy or tired. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. Yeah, I'm lazy. I'm lazy doing live. Maybe because I already have Mike, so I'm contented with him. Something like that. Something like that. Not like before. I'm obsessed. I'm always online because I need to be busy. Something like that. Thank you, 9 people in the house. Have good sleep. You need it. Yes. But here, I can't sleep here because it's still noisy here. Noisy. Noisy. Can't sleep. Oh my God. But I need to, I need to end the live because Sir Fred, I'm addicted watching drama series. No noise here. That's good. I need to find place, a quiet place, living with Mike, something like that. Okay, and then thank you, Sir Fred.